What's up, y'all? It's your girl Liv. I'm bringing y'all a video of, me doing some knotless cornrows. Well, I'm not gonna be doing the cornrows in this video. I'll have a part 2 of this video with me doing the actual cornrows. But this video, I'm gonna just be showing you guys, my parting techniques, etc. So basically in this video, I'll be showing you guys like my parting method, sectioning, and basically everything that goes into the style. I'm going to try not to talk too much so that you guys can focus more on what I'm doing versus hear my voice every 5 minutes. So I know you guys are going to be in the comments asking, what type of products do I use, and what type of combs and tools am I using? I am definitely going to make a second part of this video, a part 2 to this video, and I'll list and go over everything that I use down to the type of clips that I use. Before you start styling and parting and etc., make sure that your client's hair is detangled, or make sure that you detangle their hair before you get into anything. And also make sure it's blown out straight enough so that you can part easily. You can everything will be hassle free if you just blow dry the hair completely, and it'll make the style last longer. Right here, I'm just showing you guys another sectioning method. It's just a simple cornrow, nothing too tight. Just to help, just the same thing that the clips do basically, but this is just another method that can be used also. In this case, I'm not going to use it for her. I'm just going to use the clips. The clips are my personal favorite to use, but to each his own. I am a perfectionist when it comes to my parts. Like, I go over my parts so many times until they're straight enough to my liking. Um, a straight parts can make or break your style. You want to make sure that, you just want to make sure that it's crisp. You don't want to give them zigzag parts if they don't want zigzag parts. As I mentioned earlier, there will be a part 2 to this video. And in that video, I'll explain, how I achieve what I like to call not your average cornrows and show you guys the products, etc. If this video was helpful and you'd like to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, y'all. See you later.